You will find out this mind not by the thought, but by, if I say, the different feeling causes trouble because it is impulsively habituated to think. So when you intellect says you are not thinking, all the thoughts are coming from outside, this mind tricks us. How? By a certain feeling to raise a thought. Do you see that? Do you see it clearly? If you see it clearly, this body will not move at all. That is why our masters always talk about being a seeker. You feel unease first, or you have a thought of unease first. It may not be a thought, but the feeling that I recognize in my deeper mind in the form of a thought. And then I get carried away. Once I get carried away by a single word or a feeling or fancy or imagination, we lose. Why? That I in the mind returns with a full force. Or we can say this I, you can say that I and the intellect, they both are sitting together, touching together. Knowledge, intellect, you're fully aware, and you continue, you are totally absorbed, and suddenly you find a single phrase, a feeling, thought destroyed it. Because they are sitting together, they're, they are touching together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. Thank you. That was very quick, uh, very quiet, and I'm extremely calm and at peace right now. Thank you.
Beautiful. Yes. How are you, David and Jerry?
I would describe it as simple yet powerful. And to Stephen's point, I just feel extremely at peace right now. There was moments when the mind tried to do things, but I was able to just like ignore it and get into that peaceful spot.
Yes. That's beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Went by just like a snap, very fast.
Very well.
And I was just thinking as we came out of it that so we're always in peace and right, always.
Yeah.
But and so I guess the question is, does the consciousness take care of the body and does the consciousness take care of the mind?
100%, Jerry. When we were born, it was purely the consciousness is taking care, coming to the impulsive mind and asking me, searching for a mom to feed me. See that?
Mm-hmm.
It's taking care of the body by default. What happens, I think, that fear should go away. There is a fear coming from the impulsive and the habitual mind that if I don't care of the body, it will not survive.
No, and that's what I also almost feel like when we ask people, how are you feeling? It's not really, it's how's the mind, how's the body? It's not,
Yes.
You're perfect. Right?
Yes. That's a beautiful, that is the great answer, Terry. You got it. You sent an email. I know I'm concerned. You live into that state.
Yeah. Awareness.
Yes. You are consciousness. And then find out what is the best.
Uh-huh.
So if I'm consciousness, it does not know now if I'm consciousness, then I will stop eating from today. Then you are the craziest guy.
Yeah.
You see that animals do not think. Still, consciousness creates a trigger. No, I want food. Plants, they do not think. Consciousness in them finds the food for them. We human race is little more manipulative, etc. That is different. And because of manipulation, we have fear. Are you, Kate?
Good morning, namaste, everybody. I was aware of the senses and went within.
Good. Very good. Are you, Brandy?
Morning. I'm good. Thank you. I was really focused on
what you were saying during the meditation today, and I was really able to see my thoughts as objects and my I-ness seeing my thoughts as objects, almost kind of layered, like scaffold, and just kind of sit back, and I just kept watching it happen, So that was like Terry said, like there was this awareness, but there's also this separateness of the process of like, I am this, or I this and that, or whatever was coming to my mind and whatever I thought I was experiencing. I don't know. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's a beautiful expression. I go to Jerry, and together, all of you see that, how come I said that I go to Jerry and all of them, and then let me explain. How come these thoughts are coming to my mind? Ask yourself, how these thoughts are coming to my mind? How? All these thoughts are coming from outside. Not from myself, but I make them mine. That is the biggest problem. And who is this I? Is the ego. Sitting and waiting for the intellect. You drop the knowledge and I'm there. Drop the knowledge and I'll fall into ignorance. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yes, Sam, how are you?
Good. Yeah, I mentioned to you yesterday. I think I thought that the meditations lately had been peaceful, and I'd been describing them as peaceful, but there was a sense of, now that I can see the difference, there was a sense of being tired, body drooping a little bit, having a tough time keeping my neck up. But the last few meditations have been totally revitalizing and much lighter and much more energizing at the end.
Much more. That's beautiful. That's really good. Continue. Once we reach there, then you drop all the principles, consider what I have spoken is just a gossip. You are already there. And how are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. So I tried to understand and follow the knowledge, and it was
Yes,
good sessions.
good session. So listen to this maybe 100 times. No, that is just it. Maybe as many times until your thinking stops inside. You are there. That is all for today. Yes, possibly keep on. I will send you the message, especially on Saturday. I may not be available. I'll be in New Jersey, so only on Saturday. Otherwise, Monday and then Thursday sessions, I'm clear. I will continue.
Terry didn't get to go.
I'm going to New Jersey.
No, Terry didn't get to share today.
Oh, yes. Go ahead.
Awareness of